Okay, so people see these, tick values, ask value and the bid value. Okay, people use ask values to buy, uh, stocks or currency pair, and they look at bid values to sell their, stocks or forex symbols, right? Currency pair. So these ask and bid values, they are present in the tick information, right? This is called ticks, right? So these play a vital role in, you know, in shaping the charts, in forming these candles, and these past candles can influence the future candles as well. That's why I developed this new indicator that is called, tick volume indicator, right? So what it does is that, it uses the tick bid and ask, counts or PIP changes. Then it draws, whatever it is. It draws the, colors in the candles, and so that, people can use it to, to trade or to analyze the charts. This is a new indicator, right? So I have developed this indicator so that people can, benefit uh, in their trading for, analyzing or for trading the, their stock or any, currency pairs or any other things, right? So let's directly go and check what this indicator does. Okay, this is an here volume indicator, right? So in volume indicator, what I have even I think defined here all of these points here, but I'm going to describe in this video as well. By default, okay, the color for ask part is green, this is red, and by default, this is count. You can choose pip as well, right? You can choose colors here, right? Whatever color you want. You can change the border types, right? You can change, you can switch between, maybe bid past on the top part and the ask part in the down part, right? This I'll show you what it does as well. We can even show the actual values. We can change the font type for the actual values, and this one I'll explain as well. But let's put it in the chart, right? So by default, this is the ask values, this is the bid values, right? We can see from the graph that, it is, this, right now you cannot see anything, but if you go and change something, let's go and change, this one's true, then you will see the actual values. Okay, these are the counts. Okay, you can see that this count is 1693, the bit count, and this is so it looks like the bit values. That means this if you analyze this one, the future trend should go down, right? And it seems that this is going down as well. Okay, what is beneficial now to look at is to make it true. This is like which one is the heavy, like the one I showed you just right now, and this candle that the down part is a heavy one, so it will show you the heavy one only. It will not show you the ask part. Okay, so let's do this true, and let's do this okay. So you can see, right, this is a heavier part, so this is only showing this one, right? This is a heavier part, this is only showing this one, right? So this is how this is the ask part is heavy, so it's only showing. You can see that this is 1018. Okay, this is 907 only. So you can analyze, right? And to play it more, let's change the colors. Okay, maybe let's make it shine. Let's make it maybe orange, and let's do this balls for now. Okay, you see, this is even better, right? So, and even if you can change it to to see the border, you can change it to flat. You can change the colors, right? You can change it to red, and then you can change it to maybe tree. Okay, you can see that, you see the border is coming, right? Then what you can, this is explain that Arial can change. Okay, this one I will show you with okay, this is the buffer size, right? You can utilize. Okay, I forgot to change one thing. Let's change it to pip, right? That's the pip. Okay, before it was what count, right? Count means, I have explained it in the description as well, but count is like, if ask values goes up, okay, from the previous ask values, then it's counted as one. Okay, if the bid values goes down, then the previous bid values, then that is bid value count is also one. Okay, and pip values is also the same. If the pip values, if the ask price goes up than the previous ask price, then the change in the pip values that is added. Okay, this is what it is. Okay, so and then once you change it, these are the values, right? This is the bid values. We can even play with you can switch it, right? Here is this one. Okay, if you do this, then this is a poly. Okay, this is the bid, and this is us. Okay, so these values are stored in a buffer in this indicator. Okay, and you can utilize these values, and you can get these values from the Expert Advisor or other indicator. I'll show you how to use it from another Expert Advisor. Okay, so this is a new testing Expert Advisor that I have defined. Okay, where I have used volume indicator, and I have use iCustom to import this volume indicator, and then I have defined this one. Okay, let's change this. Okay, let's, these are the, we can even skip this much. Okay, these are, if you skip this much, then the default values will be used. But if you put your arguments, okay, these are arguments, or you can check it from here. Okay, these are the arguments. Okay, this is the first argument, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth, this is sixth, this is seventh. Okay, like this one. Okay, so the first one is text. Okay, the second part is a color, right? That's what I have used. Okay, so this is the text. Okay, this is color, this is the bid color, this is the PIP account, then this is text. Okay, this is the border one altogether. This is bid on top. Right now this is false. I'll show you how to do this as well. Okay, so, and then after importing the custom indicator, this value is imported in this one, and then I am copying the values. Okay, the first indicator is, buffer is the ask value, and the second buffer is the bid value. Okay, I have done this one. Okay, let's compile it, and it's going to print. Okay, so compilation is done. Cancel, close. I'm going to Expert Advisor, test Advisor, and use OK. So once you change it, right? Just change it, right? This is 290 to 91. If you look at this one, oops, I think this is not the newest one. Okay, 289. Let's look. Okay, so I'm using here, these are the pip values, and I think I'm using this as a count values. Okay, if you look at the indicator, okay, so that's why the count. Okay, this is the count value, right? If I change it to pip values, compile it, okay, they should match, right? Now if the pip changes, let's, okay, so it can change 41, right? It's down 393 to 394, right? So they match, right? You can see, right? So this is how you can get, okay, I am getting the buffers from the volume indicator using iCustom. So that's all, folks. Happy coding and happy, you can buy it from the market. It is just $39. Hope it is helpful for you all.